The following video will show you what kind of reports you can generate on casting networks. You can access the Reports page by clicking on Reports underneath the project name. This will automatically select that project on the page, but you can always change the project using this drop-down menu. You're now going to want to choose the type of report you would like to generate. Let's go through them all one at a time. First is Print Project Overview. This report is an overview of your project consisting of all of the information that you filled out when you created your project. This includes the project name and rate, any project notes you may have filled out, the audition and callback information, and all of the role information as well. You can choose to include photo references or not to include them. When you're ready, hit Print. Note that this will not physically print the report, but will generate a PDF of the report, which you can then physically print if you choose. Next is Submission Report. This will give you a list of every talent submitted to your project. Note that it will not include selected talent or scheduled talent. You can generate a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet and sort by agency name or by role name. Then just hit Print. The next type of report is a selection report, which is a report of all of the talent you have selected. You can choose all roles, which it defaults to, or choose an individual role. Again, you can generate a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet. When you're ready, hit Print. Next, you have Print Schedule. This comes in handy when you want your assistant or camera operator to have a hard copy of the schedule for auditions. First, choose the schedule you would like to see. Then, sort by call times or talent name, and again choose whether or not you want a PDF or an Excel spreadsheet. Next, choose your options. You can show talent photos, show confirmations, hide call times, show casting notes, hide order number, and show contact information. Then hit Print to generate your schedule. Again, if you need a physical copy, you can print one out once your report has been generated. The next type of report is an agency call list. This will give you a list of all the talent in a specific schedule listed by agency name. This is helpful if you want to call agents to let them know which talent have yet to confirm, for example. Just choose the schedule, the format, and whether you want to show photos, notes, and confirmations. Then hit Print, and you will be able to start making those phone calls. Next is Schedule Size Sheet Report. Similar to Print Schedule, which basically prints a log of your schedule, Schedule Size Sheet Report will give you all of the size sheets of one of your schedules. Simply choose the schedule and sort by call time or talent name. Choose whether you would like one size sheet per page or two per page. Then choose if you'd like to show talent contact info, casting notes, and kids' ages. Then click Print. These can come in handy to have at a callback session. Next is Booking Call List. Let's take a look at the worksheet for a moment. You will notice there is a B next to each talent name in the worksheet. This stands for Booked. When you click that B, then talent will be added to the Booking Call List. Note that clicking B does not actually communicate with the talent or their representation. When you select Booking Call List, first choose to display with or without photos, then the format, and hit Print. You will then have a list of everyone you would like to book or place on avail, along with the talent's contact information, or their agent's contact information if applicable. The next type of report is the session log. This will print a log of a specified FastCast session. Just choose the session, the format, and if you want to show photos, notes and pics, and kids' ages, click Print to generate the report. Next, you have session size sheets. This will give you the size sheet for a specified FastCast session. Just choose the session, and note that you do not have the option to print 1 or 2 per page like you did with the schedule size sheet report. This is due to the fact that notes and pics make these size sheets too big to include 2 per page. Finally, choose whether or not you want to show talent contact info, session notes and pics, and kids' ages. Then hit Print. The final type of report is video downloads, which will tell you which sessions have been downloaded by which users. One last thing to note is that your client can also print logs and size sheets from their client links, which are discussed further in our Casting Network's client presentation tutorial videos, but let's briefly take a look at a client link and see how that is done. Go to your client links page and click on a client link. If you actually click on a session, you will see that you can get logs and size sheets from there as well. If you want to know more about your client's experience viewing a client link, check out our Casting Network's client presentation tutorial videos.